Hi, Mike here again. This afternoon I'm going to point in a few flagstones. The method I use means I don't get a lot of mess on the flagstones after they're pointed. So here goes. I'll just show you what I do. I've only just laid these about an hour ago, so they're still bedded on wet cement. Which is quite a good thing, because it'll mean that the pointing will actually adhere nicely to the cement underneath. So here goes. The mix I use here is 4 parts of sand to 1 of cement. I'm using a gauging trowel here to get the right proportions, and just a small amount I can mix up in a bucket. As you can see, it's just a few flagstones that I'm pointing out. As you can see, I'm giving this a good mix up to make sure the cement and the sand is thoroughly integrated. The sand I'm using is already on the damp side, and the thing to do is not to put too much water in. I'm actually probably not going to put any water at all into this, because I think the sand will be damp enough as it is. But you want to end up with a mixture that's compressible. If you pull up a handful and compress it and it holds together firmly without falling apart, then you're pretty much there. I've seen a lot of people mix this up to like a mortar mix and press it in as a mortar. The problem doing with this is that you end up with it on the flagstones, and they all need, then you need to sponge them off, and you get staining on them. Doing it my way, you get very little staining whatsoever, because it just doesn't stick to the surface. You do need to make sure the joints are fully filled and tamped down as well, so that the sand and cement is well compressed into the joints. This way you won't start getting movement and the joints starting to break up at a later date. Now I've cleaned off the surface of the slabs with a brush. I can run over the joints with a pointing trowel and make sure that they're fully compressed down and they've got a nice smooth finish.